Hey campers, it's my birthday today, and my favorite breakfast is Eggs Benedict, and I'm gonna do that for myself today. First thing I'm gonna do is make myself a cup of coffee with the brew truck pour over. Okay, now that I got my water hot, all I have to do is pour it over. Guess that's why they call it a pour over. Okay, the next thing to do is get this going. I need to take the Canadian bacon, get that opened up real quick. So I'm gonna take 4 pieces of ham. 1, 2, 3, 4. And wrap them up, and they're gonna go over the fire. Let's get our hash browns going. Then we'll be doing the hollandaise sauce, and the eggs will be last. And except for the English muffins, got to toast right before we poach the eggs. So let's get our hash browns going here. Got some butter right there. Pan should be warmed up right now. Let's get those potatoes in there. Doing good. Okay, it looks like we got our hash browns pretty good. I'm gonna move them over the fire to stay warm while we get the rest of this going. Right there. And I don't know if you can see it, but in the aluminum foil right there is the ham, and it's I'm gonna move it to a warmer spot. For the hollandaise sauce, we need a cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of butter. So I've got some milk here. I'm using that shelf-stable milk. It's really handy. Don't have to worry about keeping it cold. I'm gonna put the powder in there first. Then add the milk a little at a time, and oops. Mix it with the powder. Add the rest of that milk there. I'm gonna add in this butter. The 1/4 cup of butter. That's why this stuff's so good. It's got so much butter in it. So I'll keep heating this up till I get it to a boil. Be sure to keep stirring that the whole time. And I can put, there you go, and it smells yum. Okay, put the lid on it here, put it over on the fire and keep it warm. As you can see, I got a pretty shallow pan. It's only maybe an inch at the most, and I just use plain water, nothing in there. I found it's more about the technique than it is what you do to the water. While I get the water boiling, I'm gonna try and toast these English muffins over the fire. I'm also gonna probably put a little bit of butter on them. Let me go move those over. It shouldn't take long for this water, I hope. See if I got a hot enough place here. Might as well check this stuff. Make sure we're doing okay here. Yeah, it's looking good. The ham, ooh, it's nice and warm. The toast, or the English muffins, butter is melting. I can spread the butter on them now. Just rub them against each other. Get them back on there. Just happen to have a little flame right below them, which is nice. And the hollandaise might be too hot there. Move that over. There we go. Okay, the water's come to a boil. What I want to do is get this so there's not really any bubbles, just staying just below boiling. Okay, so crack your egg and ease it into the water. Oops, you gotta have a hole big enough. Come on. Just like that. One more. Need a good, okay. Ease this in here. Now your only other problem is getting it out. Keep it nice and mellow in there. Don't get any boiling action. Just hot enough to get those eggs cooking. So now the eggs are done. I'm gonna go get the rest of it to put this together. All right, look at that English muffin. Turn the water off here. Get my Canadian bacon on there. It's nicely warmed up. Ooh. Like that, yeah. All I have to do is put the eggs on them and my hollandaise sauce. See how we get this out? Oh yeah. See? Put that on there. Oop, it's running away on me. Let it drain a little bit. Let's see if I can get that centered. Nice. Look at that, huh? Put a little salt on my hash browns and my eggs. Make sure I can give you a good view on this. Right there. And let me get the hollandaise sauce. Let's see. Like that, just like so. There you go. Eggs Benedict out in the wilderness. It's a happy birthday to me, huh? That's what I call breakfast. So I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this. Let's try it out here. Hash browns are still warm. Okay, take a bite. Cut this open there. Oh, maybe I better show you the inside there. Yeah. Oh, my favorite breakfast. A lot of work, but you know what? I'm worth it. And you guys will be too. So, think about maybe trying this yourself sometime. It's worth it.